Hi, it's Coach Amelia with Friendly Muscles. So I want to talk to you about measuring grains, rice, noodles, orzo, couscous, anything like that. The weight changes from its raw state to its cooked state because it absorbs water. So we have to do a little bit of math, but I simplified it for you. So there is a chart in my guide for you where you can write down and save all your pots and pans and their individual weights. So write those down. Go through. This is a stainless steel small pot. That's what I have written down in my guide. And it is 673 grams. So I am going to use this pot. I know that. And I measure out my rice. So whatever it says on the nutrition label is in the state that it is currently in. So for this rice, this is the one I use all the time. It's 45 grams for one serving. 45 grams dry. Okay, so I measured out I'm making 4 servings. So 45 times 4 is 180. I measured out 180 grams, cooked it according to the directions on the package. Then, once it's cooked and it's ready, I put the whole thing with the rice on the scale. The pot that I know the weight of and the cooked rice. So this is 1,118 grams total. I subtract the pot from it, so subtract 673, and this is 445 grams of rice for 4 servings. So I just now take that 445, divide it by 4 servings. So one serving is 111 grams cooked. So when we looked on the package, 45 grams dry is different from your 111 grams, right? You could even divide that by 2 so that you know a half serving if you're just gonna go a little bit lower that day in your rice, 55 grams. I'll often write that on my package of the noodles just with a Sharpie. And you could also write it down in my guide. You could also write it in MyFitnessPal and just, this is the rice you use, and you can put a serving as 111 grams so that you know, and it's way easier and you don't have to measure out every time. Just do it once and then record it so you'll have it for future reference.